This is a dumbbell concentration bicep curl. Now, it's really basic. The point of it is to keep your elbow stationary, to have a pretty good concentration on that bicep, hence the name. All you're gonna do is make sure the elbow is on the inside of the thigh. So it's really easy to mess this up, but really only one way you're gonna mess this up, and that's by putting the elbow on the top of the thigh. You see, if the elbow's on the top of the thigh, it's likely going to be moving around. Now, either way, you're gonna be working your biceps and in a fairly strict manner because you cannot use your hips. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. Just go ahead and place that elbow on the inside of your thigh and start curling. As always, have a controlled tempo. I like to straighten the arm at the bottom and come all the way top. Whatever your full range of motion is, aim for that, or whatever your coach has prescribed.